Upon arriving at the landing page of the Cultural Forces Lab, you will notice that it is laid out similar to the periodic table of the elements. This is essentially a chemistry kit for marketers and strategists. On the left-hand side, our anthropologists have defined an array of cultural forces, and on the right-hand side, you will find a number of brand examples. So, why don't we start off with diving into a cultural force. We'll take the example of re-enchantment. And if we click on that, a window opens up, and here you can see how the cultural force is defined by our anthropologists. You can see what the human response is, and then you'll see that Tesla is highlighted on the right-hand side as a brand. So let me just tell you quickly what is here for re-enchantment. The cultural force says, there are few mysteries in today's information-saturated world. There are no surprises left. This denies us a dimension of pleasure that comes from a space that's not completely knowable. So the human response is that we seek out brand experiences that allow us to re-enchant our everyday lives and inject an element of the inexplicable. We delight in an experience with the unknown. Let's look at Tesla. What we highlight here is the video showing what happens when you press the insane button in a Tesla. Many of us will recognize this video. It went viral a year or so ago. You can watch the video here by clicking on the arrow, and the full analysis from the anthropologist is featured below. When you're finished, you simply click the X in the top right, and you can move on to either another brand or onto another cultural force. Now you will notice that on the left-hand side there are a series of cultural force boxes that are locked, and on the right-hand side there are a series of brands that are locked. If you're interested in learning more beyond what's here on the site, you can simply click on any one of these locked brands or cultural forces. A nice little window will pop up. You can place your name, email address in there, and we'll get in touch with you. There are literally hundreds of examples of cultural forces in behind this site that we'd be more than happy to share with you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And here's where you can reach us if you'd like to visit the lab directly or our website at freshsqueezeideas.com.